Hello! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper or the lower buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and select it. Then scroll down, find the adjust brightness option and tap on it. And right here we can select one of the brightness levels. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So select the brightness you would like to use, for example 4. And once you select it and you want to go back, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also change it through the quick panel. So basically, if you're on the home screen, you can open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. So open the quick panel, tap on the brightness icon that looks like the sun. And here we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons, like that. And once you're done, you can again press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.